the Maitland Public Library, and today I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite easy-to-make breakfast smoothie recipes. This is a chocolate cacao peanut butter green smoothie. I love making this smoothie in the morning, something I can drink on the way to work. It's quick and easy and very satisfying as well as filling. So let's go ahead and get started. So I got my Blendtec blender here, or any high-speed blender will work. I'm going to start with a handful of spinach and a handful of kale. Now I know some people, when they see greens, they say, oh, I'm not going to like that. But I'm going to tell you the truth, we're not even going to notice this when we're done. If your blender is not a super high-speed blender, you may want to go ahead and put your liquid in and blend these down once first. That will help them get to a smaller consistency. This is a pretty good blender, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to do it all together. My next thing is I'm going to do half a banana. If you do want something on the sweeter side, you can use a full banana. That one was in my crisper, so it's a little brown already, but it's still good. So now my add-ins. I'm going to use a big scoop of this peanut butter powder. You can also use just regular peanut butter, almond butter, sunflower butter, whatever you have. I just like this product because it's quick and easy. I get it at Costco. It's great. Alright. What's great about this is it's high in protein as well as has some fiber in there. We'll set that aside. And next we're going to go with cacao powder. Now, this isn't cocoa powder, it's cacao. If you're not familiar with that product, it's basically the same thing as cocoa powder but less refined. Sometimes cocoa powder will have added sugar as well as dairy, and this is a more natural, unprocessed product. What I like about this is it's high in iron. So magnesium, vitamin D, fiber. So I'm just going to use a good, healthy scoop of that as well. Alright, now I like to use almond milk with my smoothies. However, you could use any dairy or dairy-free milk, whatever works well for you. I do some of my smoothies with water. However, this smoothie, because of the creaminess factor we're going for, I like to go with some type of milk or alternative milk product. Even in a pinch, you could use some water and then a little bit of half and half. Of course, then I wouldn't be vegan, but you know. And I always eyeball this. Alright, so to get that going. There we have it. Pour that into a cup or jar. A little bit extra. If that feels like too much work and you don't want to deal with putting everything together or cleaning your blender in the morning, you could also put them in a jar ahead of time. Stick it in the fridge. This is good for about 2 or 3 days. And then you just give it a good shake and you're good to go in the morning. So yeah, that's my easy peanut butter cacao breakfast smoothie. This is a great option to get some extra greens in the morning, start your day off with a lot of fiber, protein, and that, healthy greens.